Okay, now screwing on my blaster. I'm back here working on real parts now. So I noticed that the screw here is a little loose. It's not quite tight. So it's not broken. It just about goes all the way in, so maybe the threads are gone? No, there's threads in there. I can see threads down in there. Maybe somebody's just lazy. I don't know. It's supposed to be tight.
Doesn't look damaged.
Yeah, you can hold that. I don't make too damaged, I'll have to fix it. You're making enough new work for me. You can screw my luck. Okay, so what you do? You didn't take this off yet. Why don't you take it off? You're not full of oil and grease yet. That's good.
I clean them down.
So your early motor has a adjustable pressure relief valve in it. You know what that means?
Negative.
That means you have an adjustment in here. It has a screw. You can put that wherever you want it. It's adjustable, goes in and out. And it just has a bowl in there which is behind the spring, which is not falling out just yet. Look at that clean oil. Okay, you got that gear still on there? Came off. Where I can see it. Okay. All right, so here. Where the pump has a screw right here. That's why it wouldn't come off.
That explains it.
Yep. It was doing its job. It was tight. Unlike that one over there. How about this one? I don't know if it's the left or right thread, but it doesn't move, so it's tight. Okay, now this should come off. Are we beating on it with this big one here like this, or the small one?
Just the rubber.
Okay.
There's the keys.
Small parts in the bucket.
That was easy.
Yep. Ball, cover. Put your plate. Rotor hole's not in there, so it's been plugged up. Rotor cover never had the rotor in it, so the hole's not there. So this is the 49 pump. 1949, early 50. So that's the difference. You can put the aluminum cover on there if you wanted to.
The bump anyway.
Yep.
Should be here Monday, I think.
Good. Burrs in there. Key should fall out. Didn't fall out. Yeah, it's definitely an early pump. It's got a small pin in it. The later ones have a bigger pin. And the plunger came out. See, the shaft's got some burrs over here. Ah, it's hard on my hand. Trying to cut me. So the keyway's burred up a little bit. So you have to hone the shaft to get the burrs off. You're going to reuse it, but we're not reusing that. Pin's tight, that's a plus. Good pump. Yeah. One little groove in it. That's it. Only on the one side. That's good. It's already cracked though, it looks like. Yep. Common. Come on, spring. Ball bearing. Still a pretty good pump. Of course, you butchered it by sticking the wrong switch in there, I'm sure. See, this is 1/8" pipe. No, you had the right one. You did. You had the adapter in there. It's just a 3/8 straight thread,
Mm-hmm.
and then the pipe goes into this piece. A lot of guys take the pipe thread and just jam it right in there and screw it all up. So good. So except for the crack in the bottom, it's a good pump. But that can be welded up. No big deal. Half the ones you come across have already been welded already. That's what's left of your gasket.
Yeah. Where's the?
The scrape we left back there by the blaster. Okay. This should fall right out, but it's not. Alright, so leave it. When you go like this with your hands, if it feels smooth and straight, you keep it. See how that one's not quite as smooth and easy?
Yeah, probably in here.
Got more wear on that one. It's not too bad, but it is worn. Take this crap off when I have to. Someone's already put a. What year is this? The 61 model,
61.
right? Okay, so it already had the ball bearing in there, or the needle bearing. 58 when they went to that. 57 on back had a bushing over there, but a lot of people convert them. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this off. Okay, where's the impact knocker?
Down here.
I need the adapter off of this. That goes to my other tool. Now here. Half-inch out.
Yes.
Clean the bench off. Every time I lay a tool down there, it's going to get oily if I don't clean it. Where's the 1/2 inch out? See my 1/2 inch. That is not. That is a 1/2 inch. Those are baby tools.
Still 1/2 inch.
Nope. It's a baby. Tight. It's on there. It's on there good. Oh well. Have to pull it off with a puller. You could hit it with a brass hammer and try to pop it, but we'll just pull it with the press. That was on there good. Fell off. Okay, we'll get these pistons off. It'll be interesting and fun. They're a pain in the ass to get spiral locks off. Let's see how hard it's going to be. First thing you gotta do is figure out where this where the spiral lock ends. It's right up here. See, I always do this in the dark where I can't see nothing. It'd be nice when the motor would quit moving. Okay, unless this motor quits moving, I can't work. So, you have to hold it a little bit. Can't get under it. Okay, what kind of spiral lock is this? Is it the one that's made wrong? Made right. Can't see a damn thing. Not enough to grab a hold of. Motor keeps moving, I can't see it. Look out. If the motor keeps moving, you can't do the job. So you gotta make the motor move, whatever that takes. Too much oil's in your motor. Not gonna mess yet. A little bit. Not too bad. All my pads go to. All the absorbent pads are not here. Yeah, wonderful. Here's one. Here's part of one. So you put that under there and it collects the oil stream that's pouring out of there. All right. Where's it at? It's right there. So you got to pull up and push down with the other screwdriver. Get behind it. Everything's moving, so it doesn't help. This isn't working. See, this here goes like this. See, it keeps disappearing the more I push on it. All right, we'll be back.